Madam and Sir. A pleasant day to all employers in Hong Kong. I am Jelime Amalio Mapano, 33 years of age, 156 centimeters in height, weight is 60 kilograms. I am a Roman Catholic. I live in San Jose Occidental, Mindoro. I am married and hardworking mother of 3, 2 boys and 1 girl. The oldest is 13 years old, and the middle child is 12 years old, and the youngest is 9 years old. I live and separated from my husband. And my parents is Josipido Amalio Jr. and my mother is Maria Elisa Amalio. We are the 6 siblings. I am the eldest. I tried to find jobs in Manila as work as a house helper. I work for Robles family for 5 years as all-around housekeeper. I clean, cook, feed the dogs, and take care of 2 children, a 3 years old boy and a newborn baby. They are the family of 4, the wife, the husband, and a 3-year-old boy and a newborn baby. I have enough for experience in housework and taking care of children from experience. I don't have experience working overseas. Madam and Sir, I am kind and caring, trustworthy, and hardworking. Madam and Sir, I look forward to working with you. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.